Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to find your location, page, or time left in a book on Amazon Kindle 11. To do all of that, simply tap at the top of your book and check your progress. Here at the bottom, you can see the chapter you're on. You can also see your location in the book, which is basically the page you're at. And we can also see how much time is left until we finish this chapter. You can also move to the farthest position in the book that you have read your book to by tapping the three-dot icon in the top right corner and selecting Synchronize to the furthest page read. Then tap OK. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.